Unity of vision, understanding the phrase for language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, unity of vision. This phrase is not just about language. It's about understanding a concept that can be applied in many areas of life. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of unity of vision. Unity of vision is a phrase that sounds a bit abstract at first. But it's actually quite simple. It refers to the state where a group of people share the same goals, perspectives, or objectives. Imagine a team where everyone is working towards the same goal, or a group of artists who share the same idea about what their art should represent. That's unity of vision in action. To better understand unity of vision, let's look at some examples. In a business setting, a company's success often depends on having a unified vision. This means all employees, from the CEO to the interns, understand and work towards the same business goals. In art and film, when a film or art project is created, it's important for the entire team, directors, actors, artists, to have a common vision for the project. This ensures a cohesive and impactful final product. In sports, a sports team needs to have a unified strategy and goal to win games. Every player's actions are guided by the same overall plan. Having a unity of vision is crucial because it ensures that everyone is moving in the same direction. It prevents confusion and conflict, promotes efficiency, and leads to better outcomes, whether in a business, creative project, or any collaborative endeavor. It's about harmony and synergy. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, unity of vision. It's more than just a linguistic expression. It's a principle that can lead to great success in various aspects of life. Remember, when we work together with a shared vision, we can achieve extraordinary things. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.